Welcome to Keep the Faith Ministry News. Officials say the wildfires that erupted on Maui on August 8th have become the deadliest natural disaster in state history. Fires spread rapidly due to very dry conditions stemming from a drought combined with powerful winds. Much of the historic town of Lahaina has been destroyed, officials said, and the fire has burned thousands of residential and commercial buildings to the ground. Dozens of people have been confirmed dead, with even more missing. Quote, "We are standing on the threshold of the crisis of the ages. In quick succession, the judgments of God will follow one another. Fire and flood and earthquake, with war and bloodshed. We are not to be surprised at this time by events both great and decisive, for the angel of mercy cannot remain much longer to shelter the impenitent." Prophets and Kings, page 278. This is Keep the Faith Ministry News. Thank you for watching.